Enterprise Center and the St. Louis Blues, we thank you for your attendance at tonight's game. And we hope you'll join us for our next home game. That's this coming Tuesday, November 7th, 7 p.m. puck drop as the Blues welcome the Winnipeg Jets to St. Louis. This is Tom Calhoun speaking for the St. Louis Blues and Enterprise Center, saying good night. Please drive home safely. And let's go Blues!
No.